Forgot your Hikvision DVR password? If it's linked to Hik-Connect, scan the recovery QR code with the app. After verification, follow the on-screen steps to continue resetting your password.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
If you previously set up security questions, select this recovery option. Enter the correct answers, verify your identity, and follow the prompts to create a new Hikvision DVR password. Does your Hikvision device support reserved email recovery? Select this option. Use your registered email for verification and follow the instructions to continue the password recovery process. Have a previously created GUID file? Connect the USB drive to your Hikvision DVR. Select the GUID file from the recovery menu and follow the prompts to restore access. Authorized Hikvision installers can use HPP scanning for password recovery. Scan the required recovery information, verify the device, and continue through the authorized HPP recovery workflow. Authorized installers may also use HPP Device Recovery. Select the correct Hikvision recorder and continue through the HPP workflow. This method does not require a verification code. If other recovery options aren't available, use the supported XML recovery process. Export the recovery file and submit it to Hikvision support through the approved recovery channel. Hikvision has 7 official password recovery workflows: account scanning, security questions, reserved email, GUID, HPP scanning, HPP device, and XML recovery. Use the method supported by your device.